Whatnot, Drip Shop, eBay, TikTok, what else? Instagram, Facebook Marketplace. It's never been easier to make money. It's a pretty mundane thing for most people. However, it is in 2025, going on to 2026, a bigger challenge to make a lot of money, make enough money to be wealthy or live what they will call a successful life. Nowadays, you got Robinhood, Poly Markets, and every other gambling thing you can do just to earn a quick buck, or so they say. This is CollectDex, an index of collections I'm into today. It's Pokemon reprints. By now, everybody has heard the news of Millennium Print Group, which is a TCG card game printing company, building or inking a new deal with the Pokémon Company for a new campus, $1 billion campus, 1.2 something square foot campus, just to print Pokemon cards. While I open this, my favorite set of the Scarlet Violet era, Destined Rivals, hoping for a hit. So here goes $1 billion campus to make some Pokemon reprints. Now, what's gonna happen when those reprints come to market? Things are gonna go wild, okay? You're gonna have these scalpers and these wannabe investor bros. Oh, I see something. Okay, well, I don't have an Electivire EX, so it's a win. But anyways, you're gonna see these investor bros go absolutely bananas. Because why? Trying to sell their investments. Because you see, these guys don't quite understand that this stuff takes some time to cook, to get yourself on the level of net worth off of Pokemon that can take you to generational wealth. Just ask anybody who invested into Evolving Skies. If you have even 10 booster boxes of those today, you're in a crazy balling situation. But mind you, Evolving Skies didn't have crazy reprints in those times like that. In fact, probably in those times, nobody even knew Evolving Skies was gonna be so big. Fast forward to today, the best set of the Scarlet Violet era, Destined Rivals. There's reprints all over stores, guys. I've already mentioned this in previous videos. If you go to your Best Buy, Target, Walmart, you're gonna see Destined Rivals all over the place. I would suggest buy these sleeves. There may not be booster boxes, but it's still a great value and it'll provide you a great return into the future. However, obviously, this Millennium Print situation is a brand new printing factory. It's not going to be ready for a few years down the line. So will they reprint Destined Rivals there? Obviously not. By that time, Destined Rivals will probably be out of print. However, I forgot the set's name, but I think 2027 or 2028, they're going to release a set with Rayquaza on the front. The previous Rayquaza set was Evolving Skies. I think they're getting ready to print the bricks out of that new Rayquaza set in 2027, 2028. That's what that printing factory is there for. In fact, the sets coming in 2026 and on look to be some crazy sets. That's why this printing situation is happening, so that we don't have sets like Destined Rivals come out and nobody can get it, and the booster boxes go to $400 before they even provide any restocks. So anyways, y'all, it's just a daily video. I wanted to get on here and talk about this Millennium Print situation, which everybody's talking about, but I don't think everybody understands the implications going into the future of it. I say all that to say, the guys that are in the market today for Pokemon, the ones that are buying up all this Scarlet and Violet era sets that everybody's dumping, by the time that Millennium Print Factory is up and they're printing those newer sets into the ground, sets like this will be the new evolving skies. Anyways, y'all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.